In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. So to reset your Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro is a really simple thing to do, and it's great if one of your earbuds is not working and you need to reset it in order to pair them again. So what you need to do first of all is head over to your Galaxy Wearable app. Once you open this here, what you need to do is connect your Samsung Galaxy Buds to your mobile device. As you can see, I've just opened the case here and it has connected my Galaxy Buds. So from here, what I can do is simply scroll down on this page and I can click on Earbud Settings. Once you click on Earbud Settings, as you can see, there is now an option to reset. So if you click on the reset option here, all your earbud settings will be reset to their defaults, and what that will do is pretty much just reset it as they are new out of the box. So if you are happy with that, you can click on the reset button here. As you can see, it will go ahead, take a couple of seconds, and then you can go through the process in order to pair your device again. So if I click on that, as you can see, it will now connect to my mobile device. Just give it a couple of seconds and now I can click on pair. Once I click on pair, it will mean that it will be on my mobile device again and it will be ready to use whenever I like. So as you can see, it is now connected again to my mobile. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I'll see you in the next one.